Hi, my name is Leonardo Kenji Hirano. I am from Brazil, and currently I'm pursuing an MBA in Information Systems Management at International Business University. It's not just some words at IBU. Inclusivity, diversity, they are part of IBU's heart. When I arrived in Toronto, IBU, they offered me a possibility to find a home because of their partnerships. So it was much easier for me to find a place to stay, and their mental health programs, it's very important, at least for me, since I come from Brazil, a very far land from Canada. So all this support from IBU was really important to me to settle in. The small class size is one of the features that makes IBU different from other universities, because in a small environment, it's easier to make connections with classmates, with the professors. It helps also with the networking. So that's the biggest reason that I decided to choose IBU instead of any other university. And also because of its location, the heart of Toronto, in downtown, in a multicultural city, the global business hub. During my course, I had some simulations of real world scenarios. So we worked in groups or worked alone in different projects, and working in a real life situation that made more special, something that I could really learn, because I could practice all the knowledge that I gained during the classes. The events hosted at IBU, all the events that I attended can be for career service or the classes. They made me feel like I was at home. It's a different feeling. I would advise the new students to enjoy every moment at IBU. Every moment is very special. Take it seriously. Every class, every event, or volunteering, I strongly suggest for the new students to enjoy it as much as they can.